Hey guys, HobbyBox604 doing the team random for group break number 133. Teams are here. We're gonna randomize 3 times and pair them up. Good luck. Once, twice, and 3 times. 3 times. Chicago on the bottom, Buffalo on top. Copy. Paste. Then we're gonna go with the names. Dennis P on top, all the way down to Julie on the bottom. 3 times as well. Good luck. Once, twice, and 3 times. Just to show you guys 3 times there. Dennis P on bottom and Mark O on top. Paste. Okay. Mark O has Buffalo Sabres. Vince has the Red Wings. Dennis P has Columbus. Shobo has Anaheim. Brad J has Minnesota. White Balance has Montreal. Julie has Edmonton. Lee has Tampa Bay. Tom D has St. Louis. Ken has Washington. Lee has Dallas. Tom D has the Canucks. Pat S has Winnipeg. Ross F has Nashville. Pat S has Florida. Mario has the Coyotes. Lee has the Kings. Miko J has the Islanders. Kalen has Philadelphia. Shobo has Pittsburgh. Mark has Colorado and San Jose. New Jersey Devil belongs to Grant. Kalen has the Leafs. Shobo has Senators. Vince has Carolina. Frank has the Rangers. Tom D has the Bruins. Bobby has Calgary. And Dennis P has the Flames. I'll copy and paste this on Facebook, give you guys 5 minutes to trade, and we'll do the box break right after. Thanks. Okay, I'll have it on Facebook for you guys now. You see. Oh, forgot to.